This is a video to help with exam revision for Stage 1, Unit 7. In this unit we did some grammar, adverbs of frequency, we did present simple questions with WH, we did vocabulary, daily routines and times, some days of the week and the times, and prepositions that go with these times. So first we did daily routine. This is everything we do every day. So in the morning we get up, we have breakfast, we go to work and we start work. In the afternoon we have lunch, we finish work, we get home. Get here means arrive at home. And in the evening we have dinner and we go to bed. So here's some examples. I have breakfast in the morning, I have lunch in the afternoon, I have dinner in the evening. Notice we say have when we're talking about eating. When it's talking about a meal, we can say have. Then we have some times. So look at these times. This one is 7 o'clock. When it's 00, we say o'clock. For 15, 7:15, 7:30, and 7:45. So an example, what time is it? It's 7 o'clock. Remember not to say 7:30 o'clock. You only say o'clock when it's 00. Adverbs of frequency. These are words that say how often something happens. So for example, we have something that happens 100% of the time, always. Something that happens 0% of the time is never. And in between we have usually, which is nearly always, sometimes, which is half-half, and don't usually, which is nearly never. Here's some examples. I always do my homework, I usually do my homework, I sometimes do my homework, I don't usually do my homework, and I never do my homework. Which one is true for you? Don't forget to put the adverb of frequency between the subject and the verb. Days of the week. So you know how to say them, but you know how to spell them. So we have Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday. So remember the order of them. The difficult ones to spell are choose and wens, because choose is with a T, not a CH. And Wednesday, we don't pronounce this D, it's Wednesday. And also, don't forget that Friday and Saturday we call the weekend. Present simple questions. So we have some common ones, but when it's a thing, it's what. When it's a person, it's who. When it's a place, where. For a time or a day, when. For a reason, I don't know, is why. And when we want to know the number of things, we say how many. So, what do you eat for breakfast? Who do you eat breakfast with? Where do you eat breakfast? When do you eat breakfast? Why do you eat breakfast in school? How many eggs do you eat for breakfast? So these are the type of questions, they go at the start of the word. Prepositions with time expressions. Prepositions are small words that go together with the noun. In this example, it's times. So when we say 7 o'clock, what small word do we say? So we say, I get up, 7 o'clock. What word do we use for all these? For a time, it's at. I get up at 7 o'clock. For the morning, it's in. I go to school in the morning. For a day, we say on. So for example, I pray Juma on Friday. And then you could also use a word like every, which means all the weeks. So you can say, I go shopping every week. We also use it with other times. We can use it with midday. The weekend we also use at. For the afternoon, the evening, we say in. For Monday, for J's, if we put Friday and morning together, we say on. So it still goes with on Friday morning. And here's some examples. I get up at 7 o'clock. I go to work in the morning. I pray Juma on Friday. I go to the cinema every week. So here's examples of all these things together. What do you do at the weekend? I usually get up at 9 o'clock in the morning on Friday. So this is using questions, it's using daily routines, it's using adverbs of frequency, it's using times, it's using a day, it's using prepositions. So notice, do you understand how to form this question? Okay, thank you.